Okay, today we will have your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. What's your name?
My name is Red.
Okay, Uyen, how old are you?
I sing.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Okay, what color do you like? I like
I like it.
pink. Okay, that's nice. Let's start, Uyen. What's this? Giraffe. Okay, what's this?
Monkey.
Very good. What's this?
Sleepy.
Who's this?
Peppa.
Okay, what's this?
Lion.
What's this?
Eating.
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 Okay, who's this?
Uncle.
Okay. What's this?
11.
Elephant.
Elephant.
What's this?
Lion.
Very good. What's this? Fly.
Flamingo.
Okay, who's this?
Rhino.
What's this? Right?
Rhino.
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 Okay, what's this? Reading.
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 Okay, what's this? Zip.
Zebra.
Very good. What's this? Play.
Play.
Playing.
Playing.
Okay, and who's this? Aunt. Aunt. Okay, now Uyen, what animals do you like? What animal do you like? Monkey, tiger, elephant, flamingo, zebra, giraffe.
Flamingo.
I like.
Flamingo.
Oh, what's the color of flamingo?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, so that's our speaking